Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you about Vivo Y19 phone lock settings. If you have Vivo Y19 phone and now you want to set your phone lock, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open the settings app in your phone and settings, just scroll down and look for password and security, tap on it, and here you will get the screen lock. Just select it, and here you have to enter your lock which you have already set it. And I have added pins, just enter your pin, and here you have a lot of options. You have num if you want to remove all locks from your home screen's lock screen, just select this one. If you want to just use only swipe, and it will no want any password, so you just have to select this one. If you want to select any pattern, so select this option. Pattern option is the pin option, here the password option, so you can easily select the one of them which you want. So that's how you can easily set your phone lock on your Y19. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.